Hi, today we are going to learn articles. Well, what is an article? Article is a word that modifies or describes the noun. There are two types of articles in English. Those are definite and indefinite. Let's first see the definite article. The definite article is the. It indicates a particular person or thing. It is the most frequently used word in English, and it is used with both countable and uncountable nouns as well as before singular and plural nouns. Let's read the uses of definite article in detail. Number 1. Before a singular noun that represents the whole class. Example, the cow gives us milk. Here, it's not the only one cow gives us milk. The cow stands for all the cows that gives milk. The dog guards the house. Even here also, the dog represents all the dogs. Number 2. To refer to a particular noun that has been already mentioned. Example, I planted a tree last year. The tree has become tall. Here, when I say tree first time, I used a tree. But the second time I used it the tree because I speak about the tree in particular that I have planted already. Number 3. Before the name of nouns which are unique or there is only one. For example, the Pope, the Sun, the Moon, the Equator, the North Pole, etc. Number 4. To talk about musical instruments. The guitar, the veena, the violin, the piano, the drums, etc. Julie plays the piano really well. Here, the piano means or refers that Julie can play any piano. The piano stands for all the varieties of piano. Number 5. To refer to a system or service. The train, the bus, the Indian Airlines, the police, etc. Let's see an example. How long does it take on the train? I heard it on the radio. Or, you should tell the police about the theft. Number 6. If an adjective represents groups of people like the poor, the rich, the weak, the differently abled, the elderly, the unemployed, etc. Example, Sharon works for an organization that helps the poor, the disabled and the abandoned. Here we see the poor, which stands on the whole community of poor, the disabled and the abandoned, the entire people. Number 7. Countries whose names include words like kingdom, states or republic. Example, the United Kingdom, the Kingdom of Nepal, the United States and the People's Republic of China. Number 8. Countries which have plural nouns as their names. The Netherlands, the Philippines. Number 9. Before newspapers, well-known buildings, works of art, organizations, hotels and families. Example, the Times, the Hindu, the Twin Tower, the Taj Mahal, the Mona Lisa, the United Nations, the Le Méridien Hotel, the Tata Grant, the Obamas, the Ambanis, the Vincents, etc. Number 10. Before directions, the east, the west, the north and the south. Number 11. If the language stands or refers for its people, the Tamil, the English, the French. Here, it is not used to mention the language but to the people. Number 12. Before geographical features such as mountain ranges, groups of islands, rivers, seas, oceans and canals. Example, the Himalayas, the Atlantic, the Amazon, the Panama Canal, the Indian Ocean, the Bay of Bengal. Number 13. With superlatives. The best book, the cleverest person, the most beautiful flower, the tallest boy, the oldest building. Number 14. Before the name of holy books, the Bible, the Gita, the Quran. Number 15. Before ordinal numbers, the first, the second, the third, the fourth, and etc. Let's now move on to indefinite articles. A and an are indefinite articles in English. They are used before singular countable noun. They don't refer to any particular person or thing. A is used before consonants and an is used before vowels. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and before head silent words, and also before vowel sounds like MP, MLA, MSc, LIC, SP, and etc. But if the vowel sounds like a consonant, then we use only A before that noun. Example, a university, a union, a useful, a European, a 1 rupee coin, a unit. In all these words, we have seen the consonant sound at the beginning. That is why, though the letter was vowel, we used a before them. Let's now see how a and an are used. Number 1. Before a singular countable noun in the sense of one. Example, 7 days make a week. 12 inches make a feet. There is an umbrella. Here, a and an refers to the number 1, which means 7 days make a week, means 1 week. A feet, 1 feet. An umbrella, 1 umbrella. Number 2. Before a singular noun, a is used as an example of a class of thing. A child needs love and affection. Here, a child refers to all the children who needs love and affection. A car must be insured. It's not only one car must be insured, all the cars. An ass carries luggage. Here it is not mentioning only one ass, but all the ass carry luggage. Number 3. In expressions of price, speed and ratio. Example, sweet cost 100 rupees a kilo. A kilo means 1 kilo cost 100 rupees. The bus goes 100 kilometers an hour. So the bus goes 100 kilometers for 1 hour. We can also say once a day, once a week, once a month, which is called a ratio. We go on vacation once a year, means once in a year. Number 4. In exclamations before singular countable nouns, we use indefinite article. What an amazing nouns! What a beautiful view or flower. Number 5. Before the names of a profession. My father is a doctor. Ram is a teacher. She is an engineer. Here we see before all the professions we use indefinite article a or an. Number 6. Before certain numbers, 100, 1,000. Number 7. In expressions of quantity, a lot of, a great deal of. Number 8. Before singular countable noun when it is mentioned for the first time. A dozen, 100, a million. As we have learned both the definite and indefinite articles, let's now do an exercise with them. Choose the article and complete the sentence. Number 1. Last week I met Dash University lecturer. So we know already university is starting with vowel letter but still with a consonant sound. So we write a university lecturer. Number 2. English has become Dash international language. International vowel. So we write an international language. Number 3. Dash Bible is a holy book. Bible is a unique and holy book. So we need to write the definite article the Bible. Number 4. iron is dash useful metal. We know iron is not the only useful metal, it is one of the useful metal. So, indefinite article, useful starting with the consonant sound, we are writing a. Number 5. We started from dash south. South is the direction. We need to write the before the directions. Number 6. Mr. Mohan was dash artist by profession. We know before professions we do write indefinite article. Here the word artist starting with vowel, so we are writing an. Number 7. Gladwin plays dash flute. Flute is the musical instrument, so we refer it with a definite article the. Number 8. This is the shortest way to reach Delhi. Shortest is the superlative degree, so we are writing the definite article the. Number 9. Rani of Jhansi lost her life for the cause of her people's freedom. Number 10. Tiger is dash national animal of India. So here we talk about tiger in particular, so we use the definite article the. Number 11. She works with dash ambition of earning fame. Ambition starting with vowel, so an. Number 12. Some birds make dash long journey, a long journey. Number 13. The fort was surrounded by dash enemy soldiers. Here we are very particular about enemy soldiers, so we write the definite article the. Number 14. The bus arrived dash hour late, an hour late. Number 15. Our population is dash second largest in the world. Here the ordinal number second is there, so we need to write the definite article before it the. Now let's see where all articles are omitted or not necessary to use. Number 1. Before common nouns used in their widest sense, which means, let's see with the example. Man is mortal. What kind of book is that? Here, man and book refers to widest sense, but it is all man. Here it is not one man or one book. It is all the human being or all the books. So we don't have to use any article before them. Number 2. Before countries and capitals like America, India, Delhi, Paris, New York, like that. Number 3. Before abstract nouns. Example, anger is dangerous. Anger is an abstract noun, not necessary to use articles before that. Wisdom is the gift of God. Wisdom, abstract noun, so no need to use articles. Number 4. Before the names of games. Example, I play cricket. She plays tennis. He played football. Number 5. Before uncountable nouns like sugar, rice, wheat, and so on. Number 6. Before the names of languages. Tamil, English, Hindi, French, etc. Dear children, continue to use these articles in your daily conversation. Study well. Happy learning. Thank you.